Today, we could learn some new information here about the abuse investigation at Bright Path Daycare. An attorney for the family says some of the alleged victims say a judge could decide if alternate names can be used in court to protect the victims' identities. A former worker at the daycare's Avon location is facing 6 charges of sexual assault. And according to court records, he remains in jail ahead of a scheduled hearing later this month. The daycare closed their Avon location and is now facing multiple lawsuits over claims that they failed to protect children. The daycare says it's operating with police and has opened its own independent investigation.